Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using Bode-Mass rule. Bode-Mass rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Bode-Mass sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. First step says solve the innermost parentheses. Now the inner parentheses is solve the division part. So now in this there is 45 divided by 9. So now we'll get 5, and according to this step B, Bode-Mass in innermost round bracket must be cleared first, and according to this the current expression becomes square bracket curly bracket 75 plus 5 curly braces of multiplied by 2 square bracket of minus root 121. Move to the next step. According to the next step, middle braces. Now there is a curly braces. Solve the addition 75 plus 5 inside the curly braces. Now 75 plus 5 equals to 80. According to this step, now that the round brackets are gone, and we solve the next layer of bracket, which is curly braces, and now the current expression becomes 80 multiply by 2 and minus root 120. Now the third step, outer square brackets. Now there is a square brackets 80 multiplied by 2. Now multiply the digits inside the bracket, and after we'll get 160. According to this step, we must completely resolve the outermost bracket before moving to the operation outside of them, and now the current expression becomes 160 minus root 121. Move to the next step, order square roots. Now there is a root 121. Now simplify root 121, since we know that 11 multiplied by 11 will get 121. So 11 is the answer. According to this step, the O in Bode-Mass stand for order, roots, exponents, which takes the priority over the subtraction, and now the current expression becomes 160 minus 11. Now finally subtract the values 160 minus 11, and this is the last remaining arithmetic operation. We'll get 149, which is the final result. According to this expression, by strictly following the Bode-Mass hierarchy, moving from inside out through the layer of brackets, calculating the order square roots, and performing the final subtraction. So the final simplified answer is 149, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.